Hey guys, alright, I'm back. I'm supposed to be vlogging about my trip to Lombok, Indonesia, but I've ended up something else came about today. I've been working on my line of sight quad, right, since like about 2-3 hours ago, and it's one of my nicest line of sight build until I plugged in the battery. Assuming it was all alright, I burnt out these two ESCs. Right. And then upon inspection, checking back all my stuff, it was as simple as I had the plus and minus the other way around for these two motors. Damn it, all the work for the morning now I have to take up more time to go and sort this out. But it's alright. So I don't have time now to sort this out. I'm gonna go meet my wife at Tampines Mall, have some breakfast, and then I'm gonna get my new phone, the S8. Alright, Samsung S8. Maybe I'll vlog about it along the way, but definitely not gonna give you some tech review. Too much hassle about that. Okay, so catch you later. Oh yeah, and I killed one battery too. Because of the short circuit, the power came back into the 4-cell, killed 2 of the cells. Check your damn connections, man. Alright, here now at StarHub, I am gonna be, while I'm waiting for my phone to arrive, let me just say a bit. I was torn between choosing the S8 or S8 Plus. This phone, this fella here, I don't have a mirror to show you. This is a Note 5. So the S8 is about the same screen size, is slightly bigger, and the whole phone is slightly slimmer. Kind of fits my purpose. I just don't feel comfortable carrying around a very big phone. I'm here now upgrading to the StarHub L plan, which is this one. Okay, it looks here to be 108, but I'm currently on corporate, so that's like 30% off. Plus I took on data jump, which equals to another $10. In total, I have 8 gigabytes of data plus another 15 gigabytes of data. And how much am I paying again?
$75.
He says it's gonna be $75. It's gonna be awesome. Alright. If I don't like it, I'll just deal with it. But definitely, I'm already loving the size. Color wise, I'm gonna be getting this orchid grey. Maybe I'll show you later. Right. Right, the unboxing. You see how nicely it fits. Okay, I tell you why I want it this size. Simply because of taking it out and like one-handed navigation kind of shit going on. Yeah, that is really just basically why I want this size. Okay, so the kit comes like this. Of course, it has your adapters, your charger, your cables, and earphones. One thing to note about the new gen of phones, there is no need for you to be charging 8 hours, right? There's no need for you to be charging it. Pre-charge it for 8 hours before you use. You can straight away use the phone out of the box. By the way, thank you SAF for the corporate plan. Okay, I'm back. Phone later. Of course, quad first. I've changed my ESCs. The moment of truth. Let's see, the fella's gonna go up in smoke or not. Right. That is live. Right. So I'm back and we're about to stick on screen protector for my S8. I've gone to purchase this freaking expensive dome glass screen protector only because the reviews are quite good. It costs about 65, I think, 65. What's so special about it is that because the S8 is a curved screen, the normal tempered glass only sticks around the side. This one comes with a jig of some sort that you can put your phone in. There will be liquid that will be spread throughout the phone, and then you drop the glass on it. And then there's like a curing UV light that will be included in the kit also. It's not a paid advertisement, but I'm just gonna be doing a short time lapse maybe and some description as I go along with the attachment of the tempered glass. So if I F up, then you'll get to see it too. Alright?
A video camera converts the picture into a television signal.
Alright, possibly gonna be the last vid from this phone itself. So as I mentioned earlier, I got the Note 8, the Samsung S8. Alright, upgraded it because my plan can upgrade already. And then didn't have to pay anything for this because of corporate, because of my current plan, blah blah blah. And so some of the things that I can say about the phone itself. Why go for the S8? Why? One thing is because of I feel it's comfortable on my hands. Alright, I don't want something too big. Next thing is definitely the fact that the S8 I can expand its memory. Okay, so just to prove to you that I can do so. Okay, take out the SIM card slot. See that? One is for your SIM card. The other one you can use also for a dual SIM card, or you can be running your SD card here. Right? So to me, that's the most important part. At least if it's a 64 gig stock, at least I can expand the memory better than I'm stuck with that 64 gig. Right? So well, the rest of all the good stuff about the S8 itself, you can go and see other reviews. Else I'm not gonna get into the tech stuff. That's just basically why I changed to this phone over the S8 Plus, over the Note series. Alright. Right, back home, and I've already made the repairs, changed ESCs.
Why? It's already been recording.
The moment you tap, I got distracted. I don't know what you were doing.
Oh, because the light then not focused.
Try again.